First create a duplicate layer, press the Ctrl+J. Then change the layer name. Go to Select. Choose Load Selection. I have already saved selection. Just load it. Create a layer, press the Ctrl+J. Then change the layer name. Select the bag layer. Go to Select, choose Load Selection. I have already saved selection. Just load it. Create a layer, press the Ctrl+J. Again change the layer name. Go to File, New, Ctrl+N, create a new document, and select the size. Then click to Create button. Generate image option available only Photoshop Beta. Write a prompt here. Select the content type. Select Art. Click the effects. Follow the setup. Then choose any effect. Just click to Generate button. Automatic generate your design. Select the 3 variations, second one, and select the third one. Select the pattern layer, then right to Convert to Smart Object. Press the Ctrl+A, make a all selection. Pattern copy, Ctrl+C. Press the Ctrl+V, pattern background. Free transform, Ctrl+T, press hold the Alt key. Select the bag layer. Create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J. Then select the pattern layer, with change layer name. Right to create a clipping mask. Again create a duplicate layer. Change the blend mode, multiply. Change layer name. Double tab to open. Blending option. Adjustment underlying. Press hold the Alt key. Again change the blending mode screen. Double click to change layer name. Go to Adjustment, Levels. Select the multiply layer. Opacity 50. Open the solid color. And select the background color. Again change the blending mode, multiply. Again change the any color background. Select the all layer, create group layer. Press the Ctrl+G. Then change layer name. I show you before and after result. Press the Z button, fit on screen. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comments.